My name is Nikita. I am from Delhi NCR and I am pursuing the Future Bankers 2.0 program, and here I am doing a postgraduate diploma in Sales and Leadership Banking at Manipal Academy of BFSI. The faculty sometimes they also come as the customers and they teach us, or like they guide us through the process, like this could be a better way to handle this. So yeah, aside from the theoretical knowledge, we also get the practical knowledge at how the things happen in the bank. This is the model branch here, and they teach us like how the Urja meeting is conducted, like how to respond, how to like participate in the Urja meeting. Then they tell us like if you are the teller, what could be the problems, what could be the solution to those problems, like how to do the things, like the process of the things. Also, like when the customer comes and they have any queries or complaints or requests, they teach us like how we have to interact with them. The faculty is actually very accommodating. Like if we have any doubts, which could be actually very silly doubts also, but they teach those, they solve or clarify those doubts with the same seriousness. First of all, the confidence building. Then next we have speaking, like engagement with the customers, like how to talk to a customer properly, how to handle the customers, how to handle certain situations that we face in the bank or we might face in the bank. So if these skills are not there, there would be a very gap in interacting with the customers. I would recommend this program to people who actually want to get into the banking field or who are slightly bit interested, because if we come into this program, then we know what to do when we go to the branch. Because if we directly go to the branch, we would not know what to do, or like what are the products, or what is the process, or how to do these things, or what is the solution to the problems that the customers tell us.